It seemed like such a simple goal. Become a little bit more self-sufficient by starting a vegetable garden and then record that progress and the process and then post it on YouTube. Quite a simple and straightforward plan. However, over time, more often than not, goals will alter, they will change, expectations will evolve, if you will. Because you see, I was really starting to enjoy this whole gardening adventure. I like to create things, I like to watch things grow, so every time I set up a new grow bed, I would feel a sense of fulfillment. Every time I would sow some new seeds, I would be massively impatient and I couldn't wait for them to germinate. Or when I planted out some seedlings, I couldn't wait for them to get bigger. And of course, getting that very first harvest. I said it before, I could describe it to you, what that feels like, but the best way to experience the feeling of your very first harvest is to actually do it. So plant the seed, nurture it, let it grow, and then harvest the fruits or the leafy greens. And then you'll know what it's like. And the same goes for YouTube as well. Like I said, I like to create things. I'm a very visually oriented person, so I like shooting nice images, I like to edit videos, I like to upload them. And of course, I really enjoy to see a video do well, to gain likes, to gain views on the video, to gain subscribers on the YouTube channel. So, given that fact, why would my goals alter? Why would my expectations change? You'd expect that the fact that I'm enjoying this so much would reinforce those goals. Well, once you've tasted a little bit of success, so a video has been viewed a few times, you gain a few likes, you've gained a few subscribers, then you think to yourself, hey, I like that, I want more. So then you start looking into this whole YouTube thing, how to gain more views, how to gain more subscribers. And then you stumble and fumble into the deep rabbit hole that YouTube is. And so you start raising the bar. So when you raise the bar and you start taking things a little bit more serious, you inevitably run into hurdles and obstacles and irritations and frustrations. Not having enough time to shoot videos after your regular day job because the sun is about to go down, or your camera heating up during the summer and so it shuts down when you're in the middle of a scene. Putting down a grow bed and being happy to put your new seedlings in there only to find out that a certain rodent called a vole can dig inside those grow beds and eat up all your vegetables. Slugs eating up all of your vegetables. Not pronouncing the English language well enough, so you'll do a take over and over and over again, and once you nail it, the shot is being screwed over by traffic that passes by every 30 seconds. Not gaining enough views and likes on YouTube. Not growing fast enough in your subscriber account. Comparing myself to other YouTubers, trying to strive and to reach what they reach, which is oftentimes highly unrealistic. Trying to grow certain crops, such as tomatoes, failing at growing certain crops, such as tomatoes, twice. So why am I telling all of this? Because it sounds like I'm complaining and I'm not. I'm really not. I'm just setting the stage here. Despite the challenges and the goals changing and the expectations evolving, I have learned to combat pests. I have learned to create a certain type of compost. I have learned to shoot videos better. I have learned to edit videos and upload them properly. I've learned to be patient. I'm still learning to pause and not get frustrated as easily. I'm still learning to preserve food. All these things were not my main goal when I started off this garden YouTube adventure. Yet I still reached those unintended goals. I still gained those skills and I still gained the experience. What I'm trying to say is, don't worry if you don't reach your goals in the way you intended to, or that you don't reach them as fast as you wanted to, or that you might not even reach your goals at all. The time you've spent to reach your goal isn't lost, it's not wasted. You've gained skills, you've gained experience, you've reached goals that you never set out to reach. And maybe if you try to reach that goal again in the future, it will probably go better than the first time. And if you decide not to pursue that goal again, then those skills and experiences will probably benefit you in another journey of your life. There is always a reward.